Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something that could be a game changer for anyone looking to make money online and build their own business without starting from scratch. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an online marketer, you probably know how tough it can be to create products to sell. The struggle is real. You have to come up with an idea, create the content, make sure it's valuable, and then somehow get it out there. It's not an easy process, and it takes a lot of time and money to get right. But what if I told you there's a shortcut, a way to skip all that hard work and get your hands on a ready-made library of business courses, eBooks, and video courses that you can sell as your own product starting today? I'm talking about the Business Course Vault, which is a collection of 1,000% done-for-you business courses, eBooks, and video courses. These come with PLR, or private label rights, and master resale rights, which means you can literally take these courses, rebrand them, and start selling them as your own products with zero effort. Imagine not having to worry about product creation at all. You could be up and running in just a few hours, making money from courses that are already pre-made and ready to go. Now, let's be real for a second. If you want to build a sustainable online business, having your own products to sell is crucial. Being an affiliate marketer can make you money, but you don't get to keep the whole sale. When you have your own product, you're the vendor, and that means you get to keep 100% of the profits from every single sale. But the problem is creating your own products takes time. You have to come up with an idea, develop the content, create the sales page, and then hope it actually sells. It's a risk, especially if you've never done it before. That's where the Business Course Vault comes in. Instead of going through all the headaches of creating your own product, you can skip straight to the fun part, making sales. With this vault, you get 1,000 courses on various business topics. They cover everything from internet marketing and LinkedIn marketing to cryptocurrency secrets, Amazon FBA, and even how to start your own membership site. There's something for every niche, which makes this package extremely versatile. Whether you want to teach people how to make money online, grow their business, or learn a new skill, you've got a treasure trove of content at your fingertips. The beauty of the Business Course Vault is that you're not just getting the courses, you're getting full resale rights. This means you can take these courses, slap your name on them, rebrand them, and start selling them as your own product. You can bundle them together into different offers or use them as bonuses to boost your affiliate commissions. If you're familiar with sales funnels, you could even create a front-end product with, say, 100 courses, and then offer upgrades with additional content as OTOs or one-time offers. The possibilities are endless. But wait, there's more. Since these courses come with PLR rights, you can edit them, update them, and even put your own spin on them. You're not just limited to selling them as is. Want to add more value? Go for it. Want to customize the content to suit your audience better? You can do that too. The flexibility here is what makes it such a powerful tool for any online marketer. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, you can use this vault to create a solid product lineup and start earning without the usual hurdles. And let's talk about the price for a second. The value you're getting here is insane. You're essentially getting 1,000 courses for a fraction of what it would cost to create just one from scratch. The price is so affordable that even if you don't sell a single course, you're still getting massive value. But I'm confident you'll make back your investment quickly, especially if you start using these courses strategically. One of the best things about the Business Course Vault is how it allows you to start small and scale up. You don't need to launch everything all at once. Start with a few courses, get comfortable, and then gradually build your product lineup. You can even sell the entire bundle as a massive package and charge a premium price for it. The potential here is huge, and the best part is, you don't have to be an expert in product creation to succeed with it. So, if you're serious about building your online business, I highly recommend checking out the Business Course Vault. It's one of the easiest and most cost-effective ways to get your hands on a wide variety of courses that you can start selling today. No need to reinvent the wheel. Just pick up this vault, rebrand the courses, and start making sales. It's that simple. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below letting me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts and how you plan on using the Business Course Vault in your own business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.